Hi, my name is Nadia Benias. My matric number is 2025-868-352.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iman Syami and my matrix number is 2025460586.
Hi, my name is Abdul Hakim bin Muhammad Asman and my matrix number is 2025-808-716.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Kadir bin Muhammad Sadiqi. My matrix number is 2025-802-776.
Today I'm going to talk about case study 1, question A and B. Maria, a talented artist, won first place in a reality show competition and received a 300,000 RM prize. She decided to invest most of his winning in a financial institution earning 3.35% interest compounded monthly, setting aside a portion for personal life. Her goal is to use the investment income to open his own art gallery. After 7 years, his investment is worth 250,594.51. Question A. How much of her prize money did Maria initially invest? To find the money did Maria initially invest is to use the matched value formula. S equals to P in bracket 1 plus K over M power to M times T. So S equals to 250,594.51 equals to P in bracket 1 plus 0.335 over 12 power to 12 times 7. So the answer is 250,594.51 equals to P times 1.2639. So the final answer is P is RM198276.57. Question B. What was the accumulated interest over the 7-year period? To find the interest, we use the I equal S minus P. So the S is 250,594.51 minus 198,276.57. So the final answer is RM52,317.94 cent.
For case study 1, question C. How long did it take for Maria to earn RM 300,000 ringgit from her initial investment? So since this question involves compound interest, we use the compound interest formula. The future value is RM 300,000 ringgit. The principal value is RM 198,276 ringgit 57 cents, and the interest rate is 3.35% per annum, compounded monthly. So we are going to find T. After that, after substituting the values into the formula and simplifying, we obtain 1.513 equals to 1.00279 raised to the power of 12t. So to find t, we take the logarithm of both sides. This gives 12t equals 148.63. Dividing by 12, we get t equals 12.39. Therefore, it took Maria approximately 12.39 years or about 12 years and 5 months to reach 300,000 ringgit from her initial investment. So for next question, question D. What nominal rate compounded quarterly would result in the 5 years period to earn RM 300,000 ringgit? Hence, find the periodic rate of the investment. So to solve this, we use the compound interest rate formula, which is S equal to P multiplied by 1 plus K over M raised to the power of M times T. In this case, the future value S is RM 300,000 ringgit, while the principal amount P is RM 198,276 ringgit 57 cent. The investment period T is 5 years, and since the interest is compounded quarterly, the value of M is 4. So what we are going to find right now is K. After substituting all the values into the formula, we obtain 300,000 equals 198,276 ringgit 57 cents multiplied by 1 plus K over 4 raised to the power of 20. Next, we divide both sides by RM 198,276 ringgit 57 cents, which results in 1.513038 equals 1 plus K over 4 raised to the power of 20. To remove the exponent, we take the 20th root of both sides. This gives us 1.020922 equals 1 plus k over 4. By arranging this question, we get k over 4 equals 0.020922. Multiplying both sides by 4, the nominal interest rate k is 0.08368, which is approximately 8.37% per annum. Therefore, the nominal interest rate compounded quarterly is 8.37%, and the credit rate of the investment is 2.09% per quarter.
Calculate the value of the monthly payment. First, we must find the interest rate by using this formula. I equals to K divided by M. So K is 0.05 and M will be 4. Divided by 2 and we'll get 0.0125. Next, we must find N. By using this formula, N equals to M multiplied by T. M will be 4 and T will be 5. We multiply the 2 and we'll get 20. And lastly, we must find the future value, which is S. By using this formula, S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I powered by N. So for this question, our P is 15,000 ringgit. Put the number in the formula and put it in your calculator to get 19,230 ringgit 56 cents. Then we must find the second interest rate by using the same formula as before. So 0.065 divided by 12 and you will get 13-2,400. Then we must find n by using the same formula as before. 12 multiplied by 8 and you will get 96. Then you must find the amount of loan. So 150,000 ringgit will minus 19,230 ringgit 56 cent and you will get 13,000 ringgit 769.44 cent. Then A, we must use this formula to find the monthly payment. A equals to R in bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket powered by negative n divided by I. So put the number in the formula and use algebra to swap places between A and R and put it in the calculator. You will get answer 1,750 ringgit 51 cent.
A. If he deposit 1,178 cents every 3 months in an account that pay interest of 8% compounded quarterly to cover the down payment, how many payment will he make? So we can see we can use the future value method, which is S equal to R times 1 plus I powered by n negative 1 divide I. Then we can just put in the numbers, which is 50,800 equal to 1,178 cents times 1 plus 0.02 powered by n negative 1 divide 0.02. We got 50,800 because of 158,000 times 10% of the down payment, and we get the answer. And we got 0.02 by 8% divide 4 times, and we get the answer, which is 0.02. After that, we can transfer the 1,178 cents to the left, and it became 30 ringgit and 41 cents. After that, we can continue transfer the 0.02 to the left, and it became 30 ringgit 41 cents times 0.02, and we get the answer, which is 0.2682 equal to 1 plus 0.02 powered by n negative 1. And we can transfer the negative 1 to the left also, and it became 0.2682 plus 1, and the answer is 1.2682. And we can settle up the question, and we can settle up the 1 plus 0.02, and it became the answer, which is 1.02. And because of we seek for the n, we can use the log method, which is log 1.2682 divide log 1.02, and we get the answer, which is 12. Payment. A. If he deposit 100 find the monthly payment for the loan. And as we can see here, we can use the present value method on how to seek the present value, which is A equal to R times 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus I, close the bracket, and times 2 negative n divided I. And we just put in the numbers, which is 142,200 equal to R times 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus 0.05 close the bracket times 3 times 2 negative 300 divided 0.05. And then we just can continue on calculate the 1 minus in the bracket 1 plus 0.005 close the bracket times 2 negative 300 divided 0.05, and we can get the answer, which is 155.21 cents. And then we can transfer the answer, and 142,200, we can just divide it 155.21 cents, and we can get the answer for the R, which is 916.18 cents, which is the monthly payment for the loan. And then we can continue with the case study 2, question 2. The question is, Izul took a loan to pay the balance of the cost of the apartment. The loan was for 25 years and was to be paid monthly at a 6% compounded monthly rate. And the question is, if Izul missed his 5-month payment, how much should he pay on his 6th payment? And we can use the future value method, which is S equal to R times in the bracket 1 plus I close the bracket times 2n, the power of n, and negative 1 divided by I. And we can just put in the numbers, which is S equal to 960 ringgit and 80 cents in the bracket 1 plus 0.005 close the bracket powered by 6. We are using 6 because Izul just missed his 5-month payment, and he just want to pay all the missed 5-month payment on the 6th payment, which is we are using 6 month and divided by 0.005, and we just can calculate all the things, and we can get the answer, which is 5,566 ringgit 0.35 cents, and that's all.